Hello dear students. We have started lesson number 7, environmental pollution. Children, we have studied about air pollution. Now we are going to learn about the next type of pollution. Can you guess what kind of pollution it is? Okay, I give you some clues. Children, you can see here I have taken two empty glasses. Now I am going to pour water. You can see, children. Now, if I ask you which glass of water you would like to drink, okay, which glass of water you will prefer, so what is your answer, children? Take a 1 minute and tell me. Yes, very good students. Your answer is correct. You can take any one glass, okay, because you can observe in both the glass clean water is there. Now children, close your eyes for 1 minute and let's see. Now students, open your eyes and now observe these two glasses of water. You can see this first glass which is having very clean water. But what happened with the second glass? You can see, children, this water is not clean. This water is dirty. You can see here oil drops, you can see sand, you can see mud, you can see. So this water is dirty. It is not clean. We cannot drink such kind of water. So for drinking purpose we need clean water. So children, we can say that the first glass, okay, this is the clean water, but the second glass which is having dirty water, so we can say this is the polluted water. So today in environmental pollution we are going to learn the second type of pollution, that is water pollution. So let's start. Dear students, now here you can see one beautiful clean water body. Now children, here you can see that this is clean, okay, fresh water. But these waters gradually gets polluted. What are the reasons behind this? We are going to see. Dear students, you can see that now in this water body where the clean water is there, you can see that many animals, they have entered in this water body. Now they are enjoying bathing, okay, they are drinking this water, and because of these animals, this water will get polluted. Now students, you can see that as these animals started bathing, okay, and they are entering in this water body, so this clean water body starts getting polluted. You can see that gradually this water gets polluted, okay. So this is the one reason, that due to the animals also these fresh water bodies get polluted. Dear students, now you can see that in this water body, I think you can see these oil drops, okay, you can see that a lot of oil is here. What do you think, children? How does this water body get this oil? Now children, if you observe that in a big ocean, seas, rivers, you can see that many ships, they carry the oil, and when the oil leakage is there or the oil falls down in the water gets polluted. So we can say that this oil is also responsible for the water pollution. Now students, in the beginning I have shown you the fresh water body. Now that water body gets polluted, we have seen the reasons, that oil leakage, okay, animals. Now here you can see that we human beings are also responsible for the water pollution. Children, can you see that here in this water body plastic bottles are there. So children, when we go to visit any place, especially to the beaches or the water places, what we do? We throw the plastic bottles into water. So due to these plastic bottles also the water gets polluted. You can see that many juice cans, okay, you can see here plastic also. This due to these juice cans, plastic bottles, this water body is polluted. You can see here, children, polythene bags, plastic, you can see. Due to this plastic also, children, this water body is polluted. You can see the many papers. Children, what do you think? The water animals, can they survive because of this kind of water pollution? Absolutely not. If we do not prevent or stop this water pollution, the aquatic animals, they cannot survive in the water. You can see that many things are responsible for the water pollution. Plastic bags, plastic bottles, juice cans, many things are there, papers, plastic net. Okay, so we can see that when the water animals drink such kind of polluted water, they die, they cannot survive. So we should stop the water pollution.